Hello everyone and welcome to the Knowledge Empire. How are you? So before we move, just please subscribe the channel, like, share. So today we are going to discuss SSIC. SSIC is basically stands for Small Scale Industries. So enterprise or companies fall under certain limits are called SSIC. कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जो किस इन्वेस्टमेंट या उसके लिमिट के अंदर फॉल करती हैं, दे आर नोन एज SSIC. So investment rupees 5 crore for manufacturing and for investment 2 crore. It's a basic definition. Basic definition of small scale industries. So let us look up to the broad definition. So for manufacturing enterprise there are three categories, obviously micro, small and medium. For micro, investment in plant and machinery is up to 25 lakh. For small is from 25 lakh to 5 crore, and in medium it's 5 crore to 10 crore. Means for micro enterprise, your investment in plant and machinery is not more than 25 lakh. It is up to 25 lakh. If it is more than 25 lakh, then it is small, and if it is more than 5 crore, then it is medium manufacturing enterprise. For service sector, the definitions are different. For service sector, the micro has a limit up to 10 lakh. If your investment in the equipment, note that point, for micro service enterprise, investment in equipment is 10 lakh. It's not machinery and plants, it is equipment because it is service enterprise. For small, it is from 10 lakh to 2 crore, and if it is more than 2 crore, then it is medium. So it's very basic definition, 10 to 2, 2 to 5. Simple. Less than 10, it's micro. So now we'll move on to the what are the objectives of SSIC. इसके objectives क्या क्या होते हैं? To produce job related activities. MSME largest sector है और इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा employment generate होता है. Promote development for both employee and entrepreneur. दोनों का डेवलपमेंट होता है इससे. इंक्रीज एक्सपोर्ट प्रोडक्शन, क्योंकि MSME एक्सपोर्ट में 40% कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. एंड असिस्टेंस टू क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट, इट्स अ क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स टू इम्प्रूव क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स. एंड लास्ट, इंडिपेंडेंस एंड सेल्फ सफिकेंसी, आत्मनिर्भरता होना चाहिए. उसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव ये भी है कि आत्मनिर्भरता को बढ़ाया जाए. रोल ऑफ SSIC. सो MSME कंट्रीब्यूट्स, ऐसा कि कहा था, 45 to 50% इन एक्सपोर्ट्स. द लार्जेस्ट contributor among 500 और मोर SSIs वर engaged. इसके अंदर लगभग 5000 SSI engaged. MSME contributes 9% in GDP. Feeder to large industries, बिकॉज MSME कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें बनाते हैं जो एज अ इनपुट काम करते हैं लार्ज इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर. इंक्रीज स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, ऑब्वियसली इफ दे आर बूस्टिंग सेल्फ रिलायंस, सेल्फ एफिशिएंसी, then standard of the living is automatically increasing. Developing entrepreneurial capacity by promoting MSME. So that is the role of SSIs. So now what's the problem faced by SSIs? So financial credit, funding की problem. First, lack of infrastructure, lack of structure, dependency of middlemen, डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं है मिडलमैन की डिपेंडेंसी की वजह से. एंड सिकनेस ऑफ SSIC बिकॉज इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग सेक्टर. It is the most struggling sector among all the sectors. So I think you got the basics of SSIC. So thanks for watching and keep learning.